If you've been thinking about upgrading your cordless vacuum but aren't sure where to start, this video is for you. Today we're ranking 5 of the most talked about cordless stick vacuums, from the weakest to the absolute best performer. The Levoit LVAC 200 kicks off our list at the entry-level end. It's lightweight, compact, and built for quick, everyday cleanups. Think kitchen crumbs or pet hair on hard floors. It's also one of the most affordable cordless vacuums around, which makes it appealing for small apartments or dorm rooms. When it comes to ease of use, this vacuum shines. It's super light, easy to maneuver, and even stands upright on its own, which is surprisingly rare at this price point. It features a simple anti-tangle brush roller that handles light hair pickup well, and the battery lasts long enough for daily touch-ups. But here's where it falls short. With just 70 air watts of suction, it's noticeably weaker on thicker carpets or deeper debris. Its dustbin is small and not well documented, and while the filtration system sounds good on paper, it's not as advanced as some of the higher-end vacuums we'll cover next. If you're a student, live in a small space, or just want a backup vacuum that's lightweight and budget-friendly, the Levoit is a good place to start. And by the way, you can find links to all the products from today's video at the best prices, right below in the description. Next up is the CHEBIO A16, a definite step up from the Levoit. This one's got stronger claimed suction at 28 kilopascals, a big 1.5 liter dustbin, and a more flexible design with an adjustable wand and LED brush head. On paper, it looks like a serious contender in the mid-range cordless vacuum category. The A16 also brings in a few user-friendly perks: a detachable handheld mode, a swiveling LED brush for dark corners, and an anti-tangle roller that's great for pet hair. It's one of those vacuums that feels more premium than its price tag suggests, at least in terms of design and usability. However, this model comes from a lesser-known brand, which means long-term reliability and after-sales support are big question marks. Its battery isn't huge, so if you're cleaning large spaces on max suction, you'll probably run out of juice faster than expected. And while 28 kilopascals sounds great, that number hasn't been verified by independent tests. If you're after solid performance on a budget and don't mind taking a chance on a newer brand, the CHEBIO A16 could surprise you. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hands-on tech and home gear reviews. The Curvymoontech DB5 sits right in the middle of our ranking, a solid performer on paper that offers some surprisingly advanced features for its class. It claims up to 30 kilopascals of suction, which is strong for this price range, and it even packs a smart display and self-standing design, features often found on pricier models. This vacuum's 55-minute runtime in eco mode is great for daily cleaning, and its larger than average dustbin means fewer trips to the trash can. The 5-stage HEPA filtration system helps trap fine dust, and it's equipped with LED lighting and a detachable battery, which adds a nice layer of convenience. That said, much like the CHEBIO, the DB5 comes from a lesser-known brand. The suction numbers may be exaggerated, and at full power, the battery drains fast, usually around 15 to 20 minutes. Replacement parts and long-term reliability are still question marks. If you want something that looks and feels like a high-end model without paying Dyson money, the Curvymoontech DB5 is a tempting mid-range pick. It's the right balance between performance and price. Just be mindful of those real-world limitations. Now we're moving into the big brand territory with the Shark iX141. This model has earned a strong following for its reliability and practicality, especially among pet owners. It's a cordless stick vacuum that converts into a handheld, and the LED headlights on the floor nozzle are a nice touch for spotting hidden dirt. The iX141's cleaning performance is solid, not jaw-dropping like the Dyson, but consistent across hardwood and short pile carpets. The motorized brush does a great job with pet hair, and Shark's Clean Touch dirt ejector makes emptying the bin less messy than most. Of course, it's not perfect. There's no HEPA filter here, so it's not ideal for allergy sufferers. The battery runtime drops significantly on high power, and because it's top-heavy, it can't stand upright on its own. Some users have also mentioned the dustbin being on the smaller side, but overall the Shark IX141 is dependable and easy to maintain. A great choice for families with pets who want a trusted brand without breaking the bank. It's where reliability starts to meet performance. And finally, at the top of our list, the Dyson V11. This is the gold standard for cordless vacuums and easily earns its place as the best of the bunch. With 185 air watts of verified suction power and intelligent sensors that adjust suction automatically, it's built for both power and efficiency. The V11's digital motor is incredibly fast, delivering deep cleaning on carpets, hardwood, and everything in between. It comes with an LCD screen that shows runtime and maintenance alerts in real time, and its 5-stage sealed filtration system captures almost every particle down to microscopic dust. If there's a downside, it's that the Dyson is heavier than others and the price can be steep, but when you consider its suction, runtime, and longevity, it's simply unmatched. You're paying for a proven track record, high-end engineering, and an all-around premium experience. For anyone who wants the absolute best cordless vacuum, something that's powerful, efficient, and built to last, the Dyson V11 is the one to beat. So there you have it, from the budget-friendly basics to the powerhouse performer. If you're ready to pick your next vacuum, check out the top deals in the links right below this video. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and stay tuned for the next lineup of home tech essentials.